Okay, we got the winter kitchen. Nothing's in here, but and some barbecue. Some pork tenderloin. This side I got wet, and then this sides are dry. That's why the color difference. This one I'm trying the Louisiana meat sauce they sent. My relatives. Excited. And then fried potatoes are being cooked inside. A few more minutes here. Yeah. And then this side is my smoker. I got the firebox, side firebox. And dartboard and stuff. Here's the fried potatoes. Check them out. Wife does amazing fried potatoes. Hey. They say you're not cooking if you're looking, but let's check it out. I think I got a few hot spots here. That's alright. Just move things around as you see fit. I think I need new burner. It's a few years old, this thing, but the shelter sure saves them. Yeah, awesome. These are looking good. They're getting nice. They're about medium to medium well, some of them right now. I don't mind pork medium well. But my wife and family like it well done. That's what most of it will be. Okay, here it is. About to get some.